Funding for water and sewer is really hard to get through grants. So most of it is self-funded by local government. When you need to fund it, you need to increase rates, and increasing rates makes any project political. My name is Adib, and I'm the water and sewer engineer at the City of Tukwila, and I get to manage all of the capital improvement projects for water and for sewer. Typical project, traditional way, you dig up the road, you take the pipe out, put in the new pipe, bury it, repave if needed, and move on. It's traditional, it's been done for many years, but it's not necessarily the right way in every scenario. The replacement takes many years to do, and with the further away you get from the present, the less certainty there is. So if you can expedite the funding, if we can get $100 million and go do it right now the traditional way, that would be great, but that's not really a realistic wishful thinking from a funding point of view. So we looked at the different, not quite traditional, the lining project, which did not need us to dig up anything, and the cost was significantly less, and we were able to accomplish 90% of that 10-year plan. The construction is 6 weeks. The full design phase probably took us over a year compared to a 10-year plan. We were well ahead, and everything was done without most of the public even realizing what we were doing. We didn't remove anything, we didn't abandon anything. We put in a liner inside it, and that liner adheres to the inside of the pipe and essentially becomes part of the pipe, and it's really strong. It extends it by 50 plus years. Being able to extend the life without disturbing the ground, you're also taking any environmental impact out of the equation.
Water live, water live, water live.